In this video, I'll show you how to integrate an Outlook calendar. The first step is to fill out the form that will be linked underneath this video. You'll pop in your full name, agency email, and then the Outlook location ID. You can grab your location ID on the URL when you are inside your location, then press Get Access. Your Outlook access will be granted in a few minutes to your account. You can then come back into your location, click on Settings, and then go to Profile. Please note that the Outlook integration only works for team calendars. You can read and write calendar events to Outlook. Only one Outlook account can be connected to one user in a single location. Only Office 365, Outlook.com, Live.com, or Hotmail calendars are supported. From the profile area, scroll right to the bottom where you can see integrations. You will then see the option for Outlook Calendar and you can hit the Connect button. If you aren't already signed into your account, you may have to sign in and then agree the app to access your info. We have now connected our Outlook account and the button has changed to red to say Disconnect. On the right hand side, you can now see calendar configuration for primary calendar and to check conflicts. The primary calendar will read all the calendar events from Google or Outlook, and it writes all the appointments to Outlook or Google. The check for conflicts, it only reads calendar events from Google and Outlook. To set up the primary calendar configuration, click the Edit button under Primary Calendar, and you can select your Outlook account and find all your Outlook calendars in the drop-down, and you can select one of the calendars that you want to read and write. You can then click the Edit button under Check for Conflicts and you'll find all of your calendars inside your Outlook account, and you can select the calendar you want to check for conflicts from. Some helpful tips about this section. This will only work for team calendars. You cannot connect two different Outlook accounts in the one location to one user. You can only connect one Outlook account to one user in a location.